Hello, my name is Tolly Green, and welcome to Tolly Green Reports. My phone number is 415-671-9842. My email address is tolly.green@icloud.com. Please contact us with your feedback. It is always welcome. I have the privilege of providing Volume 6 of the Change Production Series, where I will do my very best to analyze this luxury apartment complex project while it is under construction, located at 150 Van Ness in San Francisco, California, by way of video. The purpose of this whole change video production at 150 Van Ness in San Francisco is to focus on this particular project. From the very beginning, including the demolition of the old AAA insurance building that used to be at this site, as some of our viewers may recognize, and of the heavy commercial industrial building construction process by way of these change volumes. So far, we have launched to date Change Volumes 1 through 6, and in each of these volumes, we have identified work items, business opportunities, and or service provisions in terms of business, prospective business, potential businesses that can be provided as a result of this project and projects like this particular one that is shown here in Change Volume 6. And we will continue to focus on 150 Van Ness luxury apartment complex, and we will specifically focus on the building addition of the third and fourth floors, which will identify framing and carpentry of the swimming pool located on the third floor on the Van Ness side of the building. Change Volume 6 will specify this location on the third floor on the Van Ness side, as I referred to earlier. This project, please observe closely as the framing for the swimming pool unfolds, and as the process continues to develop with the addition of the carpentry, steel studs, flooring support, floor decking support that will support the concrete floor for the swimming pool and the walls of the swimming pool. This is impressive how this swimming pool is developing, and also referred to earlier in this video. The continued development of the carpentry that will support the concrete poured in place, resulting in a finished product, speaking of the swimming pool, that in my opinion is quite impressive. And I feel privileged to have caught this footage on video and have been responsible to provide all of these Change Volumes 1 through 6 to the San Francisco community for the purpose of identifying to the community items of work, business opportunities, and or business services or work items of work that have become available as a result of this project, and or more importantly, any of the more recent rise or spike in the heavy construction, industrial building construction currently going on in San Francisco currently. It is our intention to encourage any and all of our San Francisco community to seriously consider a construction career and observe all of our construction related videos with regard to perhaps at some point considering business opportunities, career changes, career opportunities, career development, service opportunities in business that are provided by this recent spike in building construction activity. Thank you so much for your participation. Please continue to enjoy the video and please pay close attention to the blue material that's being provided and installed by the contractor, the electrical contractor, the subcontractor is providing electrical wiring material that's reflected as the blue material that has been provided and installed on top of the floor studs and wood flooring decking before the concrete is poured for the purpose of providing heat to those that will be walking on this concrete floor. It will be a heated flooring system that will run throughout the whole building as indicated by this blue material that you see lying on top of the floor. As the concrete is poured over the top of it, it will encase the blue wiring material so as to provide this heating system in the floor. Another important aspect of this project, as indicated by the video that you're watching, is the elevator shaft that is reflected by the steel rebar risers that you see in the middle of the project. There's like a box that rises out of the floor right in the middle of the project, and you can also follow it by the Hayes Street side of the project. And you can see it's being framed in and provided, and the elevator will eventually take people and equipment from the lower level of the project to the most highest level of the project, eventually as this shaft is framed in at each flooring. And the video is showing and indicating how this is going to be provided and installed, along with the framing and decking and metal studs that is reflecting the addition of the fourth floor as well. So we can also see how this is developing by way of this video. Thanks so much for participating and watching the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. You are encouraged to provide feedback by calling us or emailing us your comments. And we look forward to dropping the next video.